Hi, I'm Michael, your handyman, and on today's segment, we're going to be changing the pure water filter on a residence home in the kitchen sink. And with that, let's begin. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to begin. This is a sink-mounted water filter. We're going to spin the water filter to the side, and this is going to allow us to screw this top cap apart from the rest of the unit, exposing the old filter. And we're going to start by unscrewing it. Take a firm grip with your right hand and your left and begin to unscrew it, going clockwise, or excuse me, counterclockwise, nice and slow until we get it. Now watch out for the residual water that may come out or spill out. We can set the cap down temporarily. There's nothing in the cap, it's just a cap to hold the filter in place. We will remove the filter. Okay. This is the old pure filter. Now we will grab our box and open up our Pure Plus filter. 3 come in this particular package, which is good. You change them every 3 months. And they come in this protective covering. What we're going to do is we're going to open that up. Removing our new filter. We try to compare the two. Okay. Now what we'll do is, I noticed that there is a gasket on one, but the other one does not have a gasket. And let me see to ensure there's none in the packaging. And that's it. So with that being said, what I will do is remove the gasket from the old filter, and I will replace that onto the new filter, into this groove that you can see on the filter. Okay, and this basically keeps it tight inside of the filter and doesn't allow the water to spray out the back. So we get that into the groove. Now let's look it over again. Okay, now let's put our filter in. The filter wants to go in this way into the housing as such. Make sure it's in there. And then as you place the top of the filter back in the grooves align into the inside, and it allows you to spin it shut. So now we will spin it shut, locking our old filter in place, or excuse me, our new filter, until it stops. Now what we'll do, spin the unit back around, and we'll turn on our water. It's gonna spray out on the first go round because we've introduced air, not into our main hose, but when we utilize our diverter switch, that once we push this switch down, it changes it from here to here now. And that is the sputtering that I mentioned. But after a while, it'll come out. Now this resident has fresh running water that's coming through the filter. So now she's gonna minimize her lead intake drastically, because as you see, it's certified to filter lead, a very important feature. So I'm gonna let that run for a second, let all the air out, and then I'm gonna let all the air out, and then we're gonna go on to our next job. Thank you for stay tuning. And as always, I like to add, please hit that like and that subscribe so I can keep rolling out this content. And always have a blessed day and be safe. Thank you.